Before we go ahead, let me look at the Beatrice Akela who reacted in public WhatsApp group and saying, "Poem attack Lukaga for the support and best wishes. This is our achievement, not mine. We shall continue to work together for the common good of our people." Alota continued. This came in after several congratulations to her. Now, moving forward to the main point, analyzing Acholi representation in the cabinet. The composition of Uganda's cabinet has long served as a vital barometer for regional political alignment, ethnic representation, and geopolitical strategy. Within this framework, the Acholi sub-region continues to hold significant political capital. Historically, a region marked by socio-economic challenges and a complex relationship with the central government, contemporary political dynamics have necessitated a deliberate integration of Acholi leadership into senior executive roles. The recent cabinet appointments reflect a strategic attempt by the state to balance national administrative needs with local political imperatives, ensuring that prominent voices from the sub-region remain central to national decision-making processes. By analyzing the individuals proposed for these key appointments, we can better understand how executive power is being distributed across different government portfolios to maintain regional stability and promote localized development. Now, based on the official appointments, here are the individuals from the Acholi sub-region who have been proposed for key executive positions, broken down by their respective roles and ministerial portfolios. Kicking it off with cabinet ministers, there is Honorable Engineer Ilarunek, Minister, Office of the Prime Minister, in charge of general duties. There is Honorable Robert Mao, Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs. And if we dive into the ministers of state, Honorable Liliana Baye, Minister of State, Office of the Prime Minister, Relief, Disaster Preparedness and Refugees. Honorable Beatrice Akela, Minister of State, Office of the Prime Minister, in charge of Northern Uganda. Then there is Honorable Achan Joyce Okeiny, Minister of State for Gender, Labor and Social Development. That's for Disability Affairs. There is also Honorable Beatrice Anywa, Minister of State for Water and Environment. Lastly, there is one who was transferred to diplomatic service. That's Honorable Dr. Kenneth Omona, transferred from his previous cabinet position to the diplomatic service as an ambassador, with his specific station to be communicated later. The distribution of these portfolios reveals a distinct pattern in how the central government utilizes the Acholi leadership. A significant concentration of these leaders has been placed within the Office of the Prime Minister, that's OPM, particularly in portfolios focused on regional development, disaster response, and general administration. This positioning places Acholi representatives at the forefront of handling critical socioeconomic interventions that directly impact northern communities. Simultaneously, the inclusion of seasoned politicians in major senior cabinets such as Justice and Constitutional Affairs highlights a broader effort to leverage influential regional figures to drive national policy, legislative reforms, and political consensus. By maintaining this strong presence across both national and localized ministries, the current administrative alignment underscores the evolving nature of representation for the Acholi sub-region within the national governance framework, ensuring their voices remain integral to the country's broader legislative and executive agenda.